and thank you for joining me today. My name is Jessica and I'm the Director of Children's Services here at the Spartanburg County Public Library. Today I'm here to tell you a little bit about our winter pick-me-up kits. These are available at all of our 10 library locations, including our most recently opened Inman Library. They'll be available starting on December 19th and are first come, first served. Well, inside these boxes are pretty cool activities that hopefully will keep you busy during the winter holiday. We have DIY slap bracelets, instant snow, a snowman pop, snowflake necklace, and perler bead ornaments to make today. So feel free to join me and follow along as we make these together. So our last activity is going to be extra sweet, right? We are going to be making a snowman pop. All right, let me grab my kit. Open it up and grab our last activity. It's filled with marshmallows, a candy cane. We've got a little strip of a Twizzler here and some M&Ms. Now, you might be tempted to eat it, right? But what would be the fun in that? That would go away so much quicker. What you could do instead is make our really super cute snowman. So, I've got the kit here. I'm gonna take some of the items out and get ready to start. Okay, so I've gotten everything out of our snowman kit that we're going to need in order to make our snowman pop. Got our Twizzler, that's going to serve as our scarf, our 3 little marshmallows, which is our snowman's body, the stick, which we're going to use in order to make the snowman, and then 3 different M&M colors, and they can be any color you want. I chose to make the pattern here on the candy cane, blue, red, and green. Okay, so let's go ahead and grab our candy cane. What we're gonna do is we're going to stick the marshmallow through the candy cane. Now this might be a tricky part, and it's definitely gonna be a sticky part. So use whatever tactic that you think is best. I'm just gonna shove it all the way down, and keep in mind that I need room in order to put in 2 more marshmallows. Oh, what a cute little chubby snowman. All right, so here's our snowman's body. Have you ever made a snowman before? Last year we got big snow, and that's all we did. We made a big snowman right in front of our house. Okay, so we've got our snowman's body, and here is scarf. Oh, look how cute he looks already. You can stick it around and in between the marshmallows. I think that'll make it a little bit easier to hold. And then pinch when you're ready. Right there to keep the snowman's scarf from falling off. And then I have something special that I was going to use in order to stick a little cute smiley face on him, and then also our 3 little M&Ms. So if you want to eat your marshmallow and not just use them as decoration, or snowman, and don't want to just use them as decoration, you can buy some decorating gel. So I'm going to use that in order to put on the buttons and make a little happy face. All right, here we go. Oh my goodness, such a dashing looking snowman. Whoop, the M&M's about to fall off. Let's set that aside to dry for a little bit, and I'll be able to do a big reveal in just a moment. Okay, our snowman is ready for his big reveal. Dum dum dum! Look at this handsome fellow. Okay, well, I hope you had just as much fun as I did in making all of these winter activities. I can't wait to see what you've created. I hope you share them on Instagram or on Facebook. We'd love to see what you've made. And please stop by any of your library locations for any books or any needs that you might have over the holiday season. We'd love to have you and love to help you find exactly what that is. And if you need anything else, just give us a call. I hope you have a great day. Thank you again for joining us with the Spartanburg County Public Library System. Bye-bye.